Okay, so let's write a program for binary search. Okay, so you understood the concept, we have seen the pseudocode, so now let's write this. Okay, so this is a plain binary search, you can say. So in this we know that every time we have to find out the mid of the the mid of the element, and based on a condition or matching criteria you have to select one of the half. Then again we have to repeat the same operation, again we have to select the half based on the our number condition. Okay, so let me write one program though. So let me create one static method. So public static, I'm going to return the index, right? So int and binary search, I'm going to pass the array, so int comma and the target which I'm looking for. Okay, correct. So in this, first I'm going to initialize the start and end variable. So int start will be always 0 and int end would be array dot length -1, right? Now we have to start our loop for until your start point is less than the end point, right? While start is less than or equal to end, what I have to do, I have to keep going on. So first what we are doing, we are calculating the midpoint. Okay, so int mid equal to end minus start divide by 2, correct? So let me do in this bracket so that it should not do some wrong calculation. Alright, I got the midpoint. Now I have to check the element that I am looking for, is it the mid element itself? So if your array mid that is equal to target, it means you got your element, right? So once you got your element, you are going to return the mid. This is the index, right? After that, if your target is greater than the mid element, so if already started, else if array dot mid is less than the target. Okay, so what I'm going to do, your mid element is less than the target, it means your start is going to in the second half, so we have to go right. So the start will become mid +1, right? Otherwise your end will become the mid -1 because the element will be in the first half, right? So I have written this program. Once this loop is over, I am going to return the mid. Okay, so mid is there. Otherwise, if that element is not found, then I'm going to return -1. Okay, so this is the program. So hope you understood the program. Let me write one main method to validate this code. So in main method, I'm going to declare one int variable of arrays type. That is, let me give some number. Same number I'm giving. Okay, 10 comma. Okay, and the target equal to 50. I'm looking for 50. So my index will be int index, that would be binary search. I'm going to pass array comma target. This is giving the index of that, and then I'm going to print if check. It may be the -1, right? Because maybe the searching element is not found. If your index is not equal to -1, okay, then only I'm going to, it means you found something. So that is a result, right? System.out.println, and I'm going to pass element is found, that is index, correct? Else system.out.println element is not found. So this is the code. Hope everything is written simple, you can understand that. So now let me run this. So some error came, I think. So binary search is there, I'm calling the binary search index, right? Not equal to -1, the element is found, I'm passing the index, then it should run, right? What happened? So there is no error in this program, so I think this is the culprit. So actually in integer, since we are declaring, so this may be a reason of overflow. Like if I'm taking int is a very big number, like some millions, then this is going to cause issues. So there is a very small change for this. We can do start plus. Okay, so what does it do? It is going to, so it is always safe, because we are value, in the previous case values are exceeding the storage capacity and wraps around the negative numbers. Okay, so just to avoid those overflow happens, that's why you are doing the start plus. Okay, so let's see that now. It should run now. Don't debug it, let's run it. Yes, it's coming now. Okay, so remember that this is the, let me write a comment here, n minus start is going to give you overflow in case of big integer. So just remember, because it's a relative one, everything should be measured from the start point. So that's why whatever the start, then difference by 2. Alright, so hope you understand this program, and this is a very easy program. And normally whenever you're going to do the binary search, you are going to write the code around here only. Whatever tweaks or some trick you are going to add, you are just going to add in this if else condition. Okay, so let's see some variation of this problem now. Okay, let's see you in the next one.